Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing great today. It's about 50 degrees and it's raining just a little bit, not too bad. Currently, we are about to head home, and I just wanted to go and hike the trail just a little bit in the very, very quiet and peaceful forest up here at Vogel State Park. Right now, I'm currently just walking on the nature trail, which, that's the kind of the start of it where it splits off and then it continues this way. But I just wanted to, hike the trail just a little bit so, I can just have a little bit of peace and quiet this morning. My wife would be out here, but it is currently raining and that don't bode well. But like I said, we're leaving in a few hours, and I just wanted to go do this one more time before we head out. As you can see, I got my walking stick, and let's go enjoy it. And for any of you guys that have never actually been to the Blue Ridge Mountains, come up here. It's hard to really explain, but the air is just cleaner. It's got like a different smell to it. I've been coming up here since I was a kid, so I should be able to explain it to you. I can't just bring it to words. Like, you might not even can see it, but there's a nice, beautiful mist over this whole valley because of the rain we just had. And it's just peaceful, guys. Got a little puddle right here, so that's why you wear some boots. But here's a nice little overlook. It's looking over the creek. I'm not sure the name of this creek. Wolf Creek is over there somewhere, and they merge together. It's very beautiful and quiet. I need to get down to that creek too. One thing I like while you're in the woods, all the other leaves have fallen down. All the maples, sweet gums, yellow poplars, all that has fallen down. But the American beech trees, they're keeping theirs on, and they're gorgeous leaves. Look at them. They got the sawtooth look to them, and they're just hanging on for dear life. They should have fallen off, and you can see there's one there. There's one just past it. There's a huge one up in there. I don't even know if you can see it. They're everywhere, and that's just one cool thing. They just don't want to let go. Back at the trail entrance. It's nice little steps. These steps have been here ever since I can remember. So just a little bit, I hiked the Byron Reese Trail. The Bear Hair Trail is that 4.5 mile trail in the Coosa Backcountry. That's almost 13 miles. So better be in shape to do that thing, and it goes over some pretty rough terrain. All right, moving on. They even have this huge tree here. I should have recorded it at night that they decorate for Christmas. I think it's huge, and it's gorgeous at night. Gorgeous. So the memories from this place, this whole area right here, it's now some extra parking, but that used to be our soccer field. And we would come here. I don't recommend it, but we would come when we were thirsty to drink water from this creek. Good memories, man. All right, so that was just a nice little morning walk before we go and head home. So it's time to go pack now. This is our nice little fire pit, cabin, back porch, which I spent a lot of time there this trip, and the creek's right there at us. It's very nice. There's like a few cabins along the way. I think like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 right here along the creek side. And you can hear the creek the whole time. It's awesome. All right, guys, that's it for this trip. Even though we had a great time, it's time to go home. Get out there, have fun, and keep sticking to it. Peace out.